Animal experimentation is shrouded in secrecy, so very few people know what actually is going on behind the closed doors of a laboratory. Nobody wants you to see what is taking place and how these animals suffer. Laboratories don't have windows for people to view and see what goes on.
Well, for a number of years, I did research using non-human animals in ways that were harmful to them. I had been trained in the kind of classic Western medicine thinking that this was an appropriate way to resolve questions, biological questions.
If you subscribe to the notion that that kind of research is essential to advance human medicine, and your career and your life revolve around advancing human medicine, then you come to see it as a necessary evil. It wasn't until I was doing it that I realized that wasn't true, but that's how you view it.
The thing is, we're all given choices in our life, and I think we always kind of defer responsibility to the other person. So I was just working in that animal lab because somebody else was the person that was being harmful to animals. So it was somebody else's responsibility. I was just doing a job. But the fact is, I could have let those birds go at any time that I wanted to. No one was watching me. I could have taken them all down and let them go. Of course, I would have faced negative repercussions, but the point is that instead of being somebody who could have been their liberator, I chose to continue to oppress these animals.